Hey guys, and welcome to Tech Tree Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to spawn the God Crab, basically here on Roblox 2024. So, a lot of you guys don't know where to find it. Here on the weapons arsenal, next to Santa, here he is. Let's pick a nice civilization to destroy here. So once you pick your location, so go ahead. The good thing about fun thing about God Crab is you're absolutely in control. You can control him right here. So let's destroy these tiny, puny mortals right here. So with our laser blast, just double tap the two levers here on. You see these orbs that are flying. They're invisible. So the controls are a little bit visible. So once you click X, once you're done using God Crab, it'll detonate into a nuclear catastrophe right here, wiping all symbols. So that's it for today's video. So thank you for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.